Ito ka.
Hello. So this is our assigned room. And our home for the next 2 nights. So we're here for 3 days and 2 nights.
It's a big room. Huh?
Yeah, it is. It's air conditioned.
Good air conditioner. That's the bathroom, the shower.
Is the tabo-tabo.
Tabo-tabo, so it's
Oh,
okay.
actually,
You get a
there's a
shower,
shower.
but
There's a
probably
shower, yeah.
there's no hot and cold. So we'll check it out.
Tapos tignan mo patignan mo sa labas.
Oo.
Doon ba?
Kasama ba yun sa Jan District?
Ako nang bahala sa'yo.
Yan, let's rate yun. O, ga, huwag ka muna.
Ah.
Yan na.
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Share na lang mamaya. Bigyan namin po.
Yeah. Ano lang? Ah, pag muna natin ng ano, napakain.
Tapos sa setting, punta ka, scroll up mo.
Hi from Papaete, Laguna.
Hello.
Our host, Arman, and the gang are here.
Hi! Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. Hindi sunshine. It's raining. Sunshine. Kasi si Fred nagbablog. Oh, ang ganda rin.
Okay lang. Binibidyo ko lang.
Oh, ikaw naman.
Oh, si Rex Cortez.
Oh, let's protest naman. May ebidensya. Nakuha na lang.
Kumain muna kayo, baka sumakit sa inyo.
Manakal. Pagkatay ng pagkain.
Oo. Ay, kwan mo na, kwan. Pakihati mo na, kwan. Oo, kilap na.
Ang anggulo naman.
Ito. Okay. Ready.
Post mo na lang. Kasi wala na nakawagin na lang. First,
This is Minalong crab. And that's, dish from Paete.
Paete.
And they call it Minalok because it tastes like manok. But really, it's an eggplant. It's an eggplant dish. Okay? Yeah.
Ang talong. Bao.
Parang nilagyan na ng peanut.
Nagtukari-kari kaya.
Yeah. Fresh. Fresh from the garden.
Narration, caption.
Don't bother me eating.
So we have a very good breakfast thanks to people around here who took care of our food. We have the kulong tire. We have the sinigang sa miso, bangus. We have cocktail na lechon. There's daing. There's a lot more there.
Maya, kinukulang na kayo. Gusto mo? Ay, hindi. Kasi makikita kami nila dito.
Ano natin, batch.
Sino pa isa?
Melendre. Melendre. Eustachio. Taga-Heroes. Taga-Heroes yung Melendre. Nakaharap yung kapalagay ko.
Sumarap sila sa akin. Susunod ko na yan. Huwag naman ganun.
Ayan ang sa pool.
Kuya.